Hey everyone, today I wanted to talk about the importance of community, namely why I think it's important to get out there and join one. Now, when we hear the word community, I'm sure a lot of us think of a group of people who share some common interest. But it's a little more than that. A great book that I read, The Art of Community, defines it as a group of individuals who share mutual concern for each other's welfare. This is key to what really makes strong communities and why they're worth joining. It's not just people who do the same thing as you, but also people who want to help you and see you grow and develop within the community. To me, the real community leaders have always been the ones who try and give back in whatever ways they can, be it through teaching, sharing knowledge, throwing quality events that represent the culture, and more. We as humans have a need to belong. We're social animals who belong in social groups, and if you follow Maslow's hierarchy of needs, sense of belonging comes right after satisfying our basic needs for food, water, and safety. For me personally, many of my good friends have come from being part of the dance community. Competitions helped motivate me to improve and get better and taught me all kinds of skills for learning, but in addition, I've learned that the things that stuck with me the most in dance is the social aspect. Now that I'm older, I still go to events, not to compete, but to see old friends, meet new ones, and strengthen these social bonds that are so crucial to humans. It's less about my own selfish goals, which are not bad to have, by the way, and more about staying connected with a group of like-minded individuals. Beyond the social aspect, it's also super beneficial to your dancing as a whole. Not only does it expose you to new ideas that you might never have seen if you didn't get out there and join the community, but creativity also thrives off of collaboration and building on ideas of others. Having a group of people you can bounce ideas off of and create with is one of the most satisfying things you can find in an artistic community. Even if it's something you do once in a while, those ideas that you get exposed to and build with others will stick with you when you go back to your cave and create on your own. In the end, you can watch all the videos you want on YouTube, but in my opinion, nothing beats getting out there and going to a community practice or live event. There are things that cannot be replicated online, and we've seen that with attempts at online events. A huge part of what was missing was people. This brings me to my last point I want to make about communities, and that's the idea of how to grow them. Communities are important, and for those of us who are on the inside who want to strengthen and grow them, we need to find ways of making them more accessible and more welcoming to people on the outside. We need to find some ways for people to dip their toes and get a taste of what the community is like without having to commit too hard. Competitions are great for dancers, but for spectators, the experience is less than desirable. If you want to welcome people into your community, you need things like shorter jams, food and drink. You need better information about the culture outside of tutorials teaching you how to dance. Having free workshops at events for people who've never danced in their life are a great idea too. MCs using more general terms and not talking about ciphers, or helping to break down certain aspects of the dance and culture to the crowd. If you understand what you're watching better, you're much more likely to enjoy and stick around, and maybe, just maybe, want to join this weird world of dancing. Huge shout out to the people who've broadened the appeal of dancing. Events like Vancouver Street Dance Festival, Massive Monkee Day, Outbreak, that make things fun for a variety of people at the event, and all the others who continue to put on quality events for the community. MCs like Joe Rock from Massive Monkeys who break down important parts of our culture and communicate it in a simple, easily digestible way, and encourage people to get involved and participate at events. And all the other people in general within the community that make it what it is. Let's keep strengthening and growing our scene and hopefully welcome many more people to come in the future. Also dancers, another great way that you can welcome people into your community is start wearing deodorant at events. Peace, and I'll see you in the next one.